Video vlog check everyone, and we are back again for another video vlog, and this time we're going to unbox the Voltes 5 mini action figure. I got this from a seller in Shopee for a price of 2,300. So I decided to buy a set for my collection because the Voltes 5 mini action figures price is increasing every month. Originally this is sold for around 1,800 last year, and now some seller are selling it for around 2,300, and the most expensive that I saw on the internet, they are selling this for around 4,000 pesos. It's a small Voltes 5 figure. It's, I think, made from plastic, and also there's another robot, Daimos, Mekanda, I think, and Combattler V. So I decided to get the Voltes 5 first. Maybe next time I'll get the Daimos. Okay, let's do the unboxing today, and let's check it out. Yo, this Voltes 5. Check out my shirts. Okay, let's do this. Okay guys, we are back again, and let's check out the box of the Voltes 5 mini action. It's a mini figure of Voltes 5 that you can, vault in and vault out. So it's like you are buying 6 kinds of toys, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ships, and then it can form the Voltes 5 robot. So let's open it and let's check it out here, and let's unassemble it. This will be my first time to open and assemble a Voltes 5 robot. The last time that I played a Voltes 5 robot was back in 1980s. Oh my god, there it goes. Everything is so tiny again, guys. So this is the ships. It includes the different kinds of hands and the laser sword. Let's check it out, yo. The instructional manual. It's so small. Wow. So this is a tiny manual. Very simple. Well, I guess I need to let's take out the ships first, and let's examine it. Wow. First, ito yung ship, the Steve Armstrong, and under is the head of Voltes 5. Wow. This is the ship number 2. It's the hands and arms of Voltes 5. This is the body. Okay. It's not very, solid inside. Okay. And there's the legs. On. And now the feet. Actually, I thought these wheels are moving. No, it's not. It's like a built-in molded shape of a tire. And here are the hands of Voltes 5. Another one. And let's check out the most fragile laser sword. Wow, this is so nice. Okay, let's vault in. V together. I think I'm doing it the right way ba? Oops, did I get it right? Yeah, I think. V together. Okay, I think let's transform Voltes 5. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the right thing. I'm not going to read the manual. I will just use my imagination to build Voltes 5. Okay. Well, I guess I need to read the manual. Oh my god. Baka mag-break to. Okay. Let's read the manual first. Okay. Let's transform Voltes 5. Okay. Oh my god. Everything is so uh, tight. Oh my god, baka ma-break po to. Ah, there. Okay, got it. Next is the body. Am I doing the right thing? This thing, the left hand is a bit loose. Ah, there you go. Okay, let's put it back in. And for the hands, let's put it in here. Okay, that one. Okay, we got the hands. And now the body. Okay, I think I got it right. I think so. Okay. And now. Okay. Wow. Okay, detach. I've seen this in the cartoons. Okay, yeah, that's the most easiest part. Okay, let's bolt in. First, let's form the body. Ano? Well, in the cartoons, kasi ito yung nauna eh. Okay, let's do this. Tan, 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 tan. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's too tight. Oh my god, it's too tight. Delikado yun ah. Then, wow, ang pogi. Yeah. And now, for the legs. Oh my god, ang pogi ni Voltes 5. Okay, mag-snap on ba to? I'm doing the right thing ba? There's a lock here. Oh my god, so tight. Yan. Oops, tatanggal. Wala siyang lock. Walang lock. Okay. Yung feet naman, I think yung for the feet, kailangan ka ata i-move to eh. Yeah, I saw it on a YouTube video. They need to, do I need to pull it ba? Sabi kasi pa ganito daw eh. Oh my god. Let's check the manual first. Yeah, tama. tama naman ah. Okay, medyo challenging lang tong part na to, no? Grabe, English nga yung salita ko dito, napatagalog na ako eh. Tama naman ah. So, do I need to extend the legs? No, hindi naman eh. Okay na siya eh. So, ito lang talagang part na to, medyo tight. Super tight. Wow, ang hirap ah. I need to push it first. Oh my God. That's so very simple. Okay, okay. Okay, balik na tayo sa paa. Yeah, I think this one's go to the left side. Ayan. Oh, ayaw naman mag-lock. Ayan. Nahulog na naman yung... There you go. Okay. Let's go back to the body. Medyo not yet balanced pa, no? Okay naman yung pag-assemble. Very easy. If you are already familiarized na with the assembly, chicken na lang siya. And now, I finally got it. Behold, Chodenchi machine, Voltes 5, a very posable giant robot. Wow. So let's add the sword. First of all, let's remove the chest. And here's the sword. Ayan. Yun nga lang, wala siyang lock eh. I think they should put a lock here so that hindi siya mari-remove. There's no lock eh. The only lock is from the shoulders. And here's the feet of all this 5, number 5. Ayan. So, ganun lang siya. It's very, fragile din yung, yung body. Oh my God. I think much better pag kasama to eh. Kasi ito yung iconic eh. Pero during laser sword, wala talaga siyang sword. Wala talaga yung chest niya eh. Ito medyo annoying lang tong fit niya, no? So ganyan lang siya. Wala siyang lock for the legs eh. Ayan. I guess okay na to. Oh, nice. Ganda, grabe. Sobra. Wow. Behold guys. It's Voltes 5. The plastic is so tiny. Pero buto na lang yung joints are much more thick and tight. So, I don't know kung tatagal to. Kasi it's made from plastic. Gusto ko yung hawak-hawak niya yung sword eh. Pero there are no way to, there's a few articulation sa shoulder niya, sa joint, shoulder joint. Ganito lang siya, ganyan lang. Ayan. Alright. Usually pag Voltes 5, it's good for, display, and then you do some post. Pag natin yung kamay niya. There you go. Just like in the cartoons. Ganito lang siya. Alright. And then the sword. Okay, the sword dito. Ayan. Wow. Ganda, grabe. Woo! Astig. Yung Voltes 5. So, there you guys. Hope you enjoyed by toy unboxing of the Voltes 5 mini action figure. You can buy this anywhere. Lazada, Shopee, Facebook Marketplace. And the original price of this mini action Voltes 5 is 1,800. That was the price from last year. And then today, July 2020, the price is getting increasing na. Oops, nahulog na yung kamay ko. So I bought this for a price of 2,300, and we don't know if this will reach up to 5,000 pesos in the future. Maybe next year will be rare to get or to acquire this mini figure of Voltes 5. Okay, thank you guys for watching. So don't you forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you at the next video blog adventure. Voltes 5!